We are here to talk about on how to make our state one of the pioneer state by 2030. And that is the reason that Honorable Chief Minister Sir has started this campaign, Rajasthan Mission 2030. Since we all are one of the pillars, education and industry towards the development of any state, this is the reason that we conducted this stakeholder dialogue open house where we all can talk about challenges, their mitigations, strengthening the ecosystem, the best practices, and this is the forum that we have established today. I would request Dias and give us a start and give us her insights about how do we go ahead for another 1 year.
On this body, I welcome all the members of India or from the industry who are present here. I extend my gratitude to our CAT team led by Jyoti Noadia ji, Vita ji, and other staff members. आज आपको जो यहाँ पे बुलाया गया है, मेरे ख्याल से आप सभी साथियों को ज्ञात है कि आरकैट को एग्जिस्टेंस में आए हुए 1 साल की तकरीबन का समय होने वाला है। आरकैट की जो संरचना की गई है वो इस प्रकार से की गई है कि अपस्किलिंग एक ऐसा क्षेत्र है जिसमें हर व्यक्ति को अपने अपने हुनर को रिफाइन करने की जरूरत पड़ती है। इवन senior level officers, engineers, managers, they all need to go training and updation of their skill set from time to time. For example, just to bring an example from my own personal life, after completing about 12 years of public service, I had spent last 1 year in US studying at Princeton University more and more about public policy. So after coming back from US, this is my first assignment. And the way I'm looking forward to this assignment is how to build upon the knowledge, not only for the last 1 year, but looking at the same set of knowledge which I have gained about, in public service or even before joining public service, how to refine it and put it to use. तो जब हम लोग आरकैट जैसी संस्था के संदर्भ में यहाँ की आज चर्चा रख रहे हैं, तो इट इज लेस अबाउट कि हम केवल आरकैट की चर्चा करें, लेकिन आईटी कमिश्नर के नाते मैं आपको ओवरऑल किस प्रकार से राजस्थान डीओआईटी काम कर रहा है और उनको मिशन 2030 के साथ जोड़ते हुए आज यहाँ पे जो एमओयू साइन होंगे या जिस भी प्रकार की चर्चा डिस्कशन होगी वो कैसे एक एक चीज आने वाले समय को, आने वाले फ्यूचर को डिफाइन करें। आप सब साथियों को ज्ञात है कि डीओआईटी ने अपनी जो शुरुआत है वो तकरीबन लेट 90s के आसपास से शुरुआत की थी। 1987 में डिपार्टमेंट या डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ कंप्यूटर बना, उसके बाद से लेके अब तक की जर्नी आप सभी साथियों को ज्ञात है। अगर आप पूरे भारत में किसी भी दूसरे राज्य को देखते हैं तो आप खुद जानते होंगे कि इस प्रकार का आईटी इंफ्रा, चाहे वो डिजिटल इंफ्रा हो, चाहे वो ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज हो, इस प्रकार का इंफ्रा किसी भी स्टेट लेवल पे इस विराट लेवल पे डेवलप नहीं। एक तरफ हम राजस्थान को हिमालय प्रदेश की श्रेणी में देखते आए हैं और दूसरी तरफ हम ये कहते हैं कि राजस्थान का जो आईटी इंफ्रा है वो देश में सर्वोत्तम है। ये जो जर्नी है कि किस प्रकार से आईटी पिछले 20-25 साल में ही इतने बड़े गैप को क्लोज करते हुए अग्रणी राज्य बने पूरे देश में, वो एक बहुत ही सिस्टमैटिक विजन के रूप में काम हो रहा है। जब आप किसी बैंगलोर को, जब आप किसी हैदराबाद को इनोवेशन हब की तरह आगे आके देखते हैं तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसको आश्चर्य होगा। लेकिन जब आप जयपुर को, जब आप कोटा को, जब आप जोधपुर को एक इनोवेशन हब की तरह देखते हैं, जब आप हमाशा टेक्नो हब देखते हैं, जब आप डेटा सेंटर देखते हैं स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट, तो आपको महसूस होता है कि राजस्थान इज वर्किंग ऑन अ सर्टेन ट्रैक। देयर इज कंसिडर्ड डिसीजन मेकिंग और उसके ऊपर हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं। आरकैट में जिसमें आप लोग विराज रहे हैं, मेरा मानना है कि वो साथी जो पहले यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं, काफी लोग आप में से आए होंगे, लेकिन जो साथी पहली बार यहाँ पहुंच रहे हैं वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को देखते ही समझ सकते हैं कि कैसे एक स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट ट्रेनिंग सेंटर बनाने की कोशिश की है। अनेकों विभाग अपने अपने ट्रेनिंग सेंटर चलाते हैं। जब हम कहते हैं कि राजस्थान सेंटर फॉर एडवांस ट्रेनिंग है, तो व्हाट इज एडवांस अबाउट? चाहे हम डिजाइनिंग की बात करें, चाहे हम कोडिंग की बात करें, हर क्षेत्र के अंदर एक एक्सपर्टीज नेक्स्ट लेवल की लाने की जरूरत है। आज अगर हम इंटरनेट के माध्यम से किसी ऐसी स्किल सेट को सेल करना चाह रहे हैं तो अवर मार्केट इज नॉट जस्ट राजस्थान और इंडिया, वी आर बीइंग competed against by people sitting in Korea, by people sitting in Norway or other places. आज अगर किसी भी प्रोडक्ट का, नॉट ओनली आईटी, नेक्स्ट प्रोड्यूस सोलर पैनल, आज आप सब जानते हैं कि राजस्थान सोलर एनर्जी के अंदर पाइनियर है। वही धूप की किरणें पहले भी पड़ रही थी, उसी प्रकार का लैंड मास हमारे पास पहले भी अवेलेबल था। क्या कारण हुआ कि इतने सालों के बाद हमारे यहाँ पे सोलर एनर्जी हार्नेस होनी शुरू हुई? कारण ये है कि सोलर पैनल बनने की जो कीमत थी पहले उतनी ज्यादा थी कि उससे अगर हम एनर्जी बना भी देते हैं तो पर यूनिट तो पैसा लग रहा था, बहुत ज्यादा लग रहा था। उससे बिजली कोयले से, हवा से और इन सबसे जुड़ गई। आज सोलर पैनल की जैसे जैसे प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट कम हो रही है, वैसे वैसे वो एनर्जी, सोलर एनर्जी जो है वो कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी को भी कम्पीट कर रहा है। सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग इन डिजिटल इंफ्रा। आज की तारीख में अगर 4G एंड 5G डेटा यूएस से, यूरोप से अगर चीपर इंडिया में मिल रहा है, तो आप मान के चलिए कि इंटरनेट टेलीफोनी से, इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी से देयर विल बी अ रेवोल्यूशन इन इंडिया व्हिच इज गोइंग टू हैपन। Having spent 1 year again in US, mobile connectivity, internet availability is much more expensive in America as compared to what we get in India. तेल वहां पे, गैस जिसको वो बोलते हैं, इतना सस्ता है कि आप इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते। $2 एक गैलन का, $2 यानी कि आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा 180 रुपए लगा और एक गैलन में 4 लीटर लगा। तो 4 लीटर पेट्रोल या डीजल आपको वहां पे केवल 180 रुपए का मिलेगा, बिकॉज होल ऑफ द यूएस इकोनॉमी इज बेस्ड ऑन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, लॉजिस्टिक्स, ट्रैवल एंड ऑल। So they subsidize their oil industry in a big way. They cannot subsidize IT beyond a point. There is a reason that BPOs emerged only and only in India. कौन रीजन बता सकता है? BPOs इंडिया में ही क्यों इमर्ज हुआ है? 2 reasons.
और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यहाँ का बनने का और ऑप्टिकल फाइबर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। हेलो, मेरा नाम अरुण है। आई रिप्रेजेंट आईटेक एम्बेडेड। ने जो पूछा है क्वेश्चन की आईटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर या बीपीओ यहाँ सबसे ज्यादा क्यों है, क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा पढ़े लिखे यंग बच्चे यहाँ पे थे। और दूसरा था मेन रीजन उनको काम करने के लिए आईटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, मतलब इंटरनेट सब सब जगह और बड़ी संख्या में अवेलेबल था। तो ये दो रीजन मेरी तरफ से है।
मैं मानता हूँ बिल्कुल सही है। जहां तक बात पढ़े लिखे ज्यादा लोगों की है, उसके साथ केवल एक चीज ऐड करना चाहूंगा, दैट इज कि इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग जो हमारे लोग थे, हमारे युवा थे, उनकी संख्या ऐसी थी बिकॉज क्लाइंटेल क्या, क्लाइंटेल इज नॉट चाइना, क्लाइंटेल इज नॉट अरेबिक पेनिनसुला कंट्रीज, क्लाइंटेल हमारा इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कंट्रीज की, जिनको बिजनेस प्रोसेस आउटसोर्सिंग आप कह लें या जो कॉल सेंटर्स कह लें वो चाहिए। उसी प्रकार से दूसरा जो रीजन था वो ये था कि हमारी जिस प्रकार की मैन पावर थी वो मच चीपर एज कंपेयर टू अदर जगह पे आती थी। आप उसको एक पॉइंट के बियॉन्ड सब्सिडाइज नहीं कर सकते। PPO was not because of anybody's courtesy or favor to India, but because we reached that place, from that scheme of things. उसी प्रकार से अब जब इंडिया नेक्स्ट लेयर पे मूव कर रहा है, तो कोशिश ये हो रही है कि ना केवल लोअर एंड प्रोडक्ट्स बल्कि बहुत हायर एंड प्रोडक्ट्स भी जो है वो इंडिया एक्सपोर्ट करना शुरू करे। When semiconductor manufacturing will start happening in India, when higher end software products are going to be exported from India, that is the kind of scenario that we are looking forward in the coming 5-10 years. आपने मेक इन इंडिया कैंपेन का नाम सुना होगा, आपने PLI स्कीम का नाम सुना होगा। What is PLI scheme?
Postal life,
Personal?
postal life insurance.
Okay. आगे।
प्रोडक्शन
जी। तो प्रोडक्शन लिंक्ड इंसेंटिव स्कीम ये कहती है कि अगर कोई भी इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट किसी एक सेक्टर के अंदर अपना कुछ काम करना चाह रहे हैं, उसकी मैचिंग ग्रांट, उसके आसपास की ग्रांट भारत सरकार उनको इंसेंटिवाइज करे। क्या ये इंसेंटिव बीपीओ में मिल रहे हैं? क्या ये इंसेंटिव ओला एंड उबर रन करने के लिए मिल रहे हैं? नहीं, ये इंसेंटिव्स मिल रहे हैं स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के। जो कोई व्यक्ति ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन बनाएगा, जो कोई व्यक्ति इंडिया में सेमीकंडक्टर बनाएगा, उन लोगों को इस प्रकार से भारत सरकार और राजस्थान सरकारें सपोर्ट करेंगी। व्हाई? बिकॉज वी वांट टू मूव टू द टर्शरी लेवल। अब इन पूरे संदर्भ के अंदर आरकैट की जो, या हमारे फिनटेक डिजिटल इंस्टीट्यूट का आपने नाम सुना होगा, आपने रियाल का नाम सुना होगा, राजस्थान इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एडवांस लर्निंग। These are all big level institutes which are being created by government of Rajasthan. हम बता सकता है कि DOIT का इस उच्च स्तर के इंस्टीट्यूट खोलने का क्या मंत्र हो सकता है? Why do you think DOIT is entering into higher education and tertiary education? कोई बता सकते हैं? जी। in what sense? Already there are engineers being produced, there is IT growth, there are models already.
मैंने राशि that तो आप अगर अच्छे हो तो आप गवर्नमेंट ऑफ स्टार्ट ये लेंगे, तो आप अपना कुछ स्टार्टअप खोलोगे, गुरु टेक्नोलॉजी में स्टार्टअप होगा, दैट इज कंट्रीब्यूट टू, या फिर आप कहीं बाहर जाओगे तो आईटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बूम होने के लिए ऊपर आपकी एजुकेशन काफी स्टार्ट है। अदरवाइज वेरीफाई कि आप एक आउटसोर्स नहीं कर पाओगे। तो द सिटी हैज टू बी डेवलप्ड, सिटी हैज टू बी इंटेलिजेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड द आईटी यूज द आईटी। आईटी का तो बना मतलब गवर्नमेंट ही सब योगी खुद नहीं करेगी, थोड़ा सा
राइट। और कोई बताना चाहे कि राजस्थान में ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है?
I guess this is Professor Ashish from Chandigarh University.
I think they are working. They are working as a facilitator between government organizations and the academia. Develop and upskilling IT related services.
Right. Thank you. जी आप वो बच्चे हैं जो सारे जवाब की तारा लेके बैठे हैं, लगता है क्रिकेट लेके आए
नकल करके नहीं।
अच्छी बात।
आरकेट का जो मेन एजेंडा है वो है अपस्किलिंग, जो मेरी समझ में है। जो गैप है एजुकेशन सिस्टम इंडिया का बहुत अच्छा है, जैसे आपने कहा आईआईटी जोधपुर, आईआईटी, सारे आईआईटी हैं, एनआईटी हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं हमारे पास में। लेकिन ये जो बच्चे ट्रेडिशनल पढ़ाई करते हैं ये सारे के सारे, तो आरकेट का मिशन है कि उन बच्चों को हम ले करके और उनको अपस्किल करें, जिससे वो एक एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी लेवल पर आ जाएं और अपने करियर को अच्छा पाथ दे सके।
आई थिंक हर किसी का अलग अलग नजरिया हो सकता है, लेकिन मेरा मानना है कि हर कोई एक बेस चीज को यहाँ एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है कि आने वाले समय में इसको आप इंफॉर्मेशन एज या नॉलेज एज कह सकते हैं, इसको हम एंटर कर रहे हैं 21st सेंचुरी। जैसे आपने कई बार कई चीजें सुनी होंगी, लेकिन अगर आप 2-3 एग्जाम्पल्स उठा के देखें, आज की तारीख में ट्विटर से बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स की इनकम कई सेलिब्रिटीज कर रहे हैं। आप अखबारों में पढ़ते हैं कि केवल और केवल कुछ पोस्ट करने से कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज को इतना पैसा मिल रहा है जो हो सकता है कि वो लाइफ टाइम में कभी नहीं सोच। द लाइक्स ऑफ विराट कोहली, द लाइक्स ऑफ फुटबॉलर्स मेसी, रोनाल्डो, इनको किसी भी प्रकार से टीवी चैनल की एड भी बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है। वो एक ट्वीट करते हैं, उस ट्वीट पे कितने इंप्रेशन आ रहे हैं, कितने लाइक्स हो रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर उनको रेवेन्यू जनरेट होकर मिल रहा है। Likewise, the Zuckerbergs, the Elon Musks, they do not need to go to a Harvard or a Princeton to get a degree and then apply for a loan and then get the loan sanctioned, ask for discount from their governments. आज फेसबुक क्या किसी सरकार से फंडिंग होके बन सकता है क्या? नहीं बन सकता। फेसबुक, ट्विटर, टेस्ला, इन सब का जो फाउंडिंग प्रिंसिपल है वो ये है कि दे हैव ब्रीच दोज बैरियर जो कि एक कन्वेंशनल नॉलेज आपको दे सकती है। किसी भी कॉलेज में, किसी भी बड़े से बड़े संस्थान में पढ़ाई एक स्तर तक कराई जा सकती है जो एज को हम एंटर कर चुके हैं। उस एज के अंदर यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। कुछ साथियों ने अखबार में खबर पढ़ी होगी या वैसे आप सुनने लग जाएंगे बहुत जल्दी कि कोई एक महिला है जो किसी बीमारी से ग्रस्त है। शी हैज कंसल्टेड मोर देन 7 डॉक्टर्स ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ 10 ईयर। उसको सिम्टम्स पता है, वो बार बार जाके बात कर रही है अपनी। हर डॉक्टर उसको कोई ना कोई अलग डायग्नोसिस देता है। शी पुट्स इट अप ऑन अ एआई प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक अ चैट जीपीटी, अपने सिम्टम्स लिखती हैं और जो टॉप 3 उसको हिट्स मिलती है, उसको एग्जैक्ट डायग्नोसिस मिलता है जो कि उसको है। उसके बाद वो जाके डॉक्टर को बताती है कि मेरे को लग रहा है ये बीमारी मेरे को है, डॉक्टर कह रहा है यही बीमारी है। जस्ट इमेजिन all those doctors who have been in practice for 20-30 years, they have been rendered useless because they are not themselves using that platform. अगर उनमें से किसी एक ने भी वो प्लेटफॉर्म यूज किया होता तो वो बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन करके समझ चुका होता कि ये महिला जो मेरे पास आई थी सिम्टम्स है। हाउ डू वी गेन नॉलेज? आज आरकेट तक अगर मैं बिना अपने ड्राइवर के आने की कोशिश करता हूँ या बिना गूगल मैप्स के आने की कोशिश करता हूँ, आई विल टेक 10 minutes more. When I use Google Apps, I use 10 minutes lesser. When there is an expert driver who knows inside out ways, he takes further 5 minutes less. यानी कि इंफॉर्मेशन अगर आपके पास है, उस लेयर को यूज करते हुए आप लोग हर क्षेत्र में कहीं ना कहीं अपनी एक्सपर्टीज को डिप्लॉय कर सकते। That is what is happening in Rajasthan today. If we have a data center, if we have a connectivity, if we have software solutions, if you have IT, there have been IITs in India, there will be IITs in India 70 years later also. But one thing is very sure, इन राजस्थान जो हम लोग सोच रहे हैं, until unless this knowledge is deployed, तब तक इस नॉलेज को आप केवल कन्वेंशनल जॉब्स और कन्वेंशनल अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं। आज अगर कोई आईआईटी जोधपुर, कोई आईआईएम उदयपुर, बहुत जल्दी यहाँ पे आईआईएम उदयपुर बिहेवियरल साइंस लैब खोलेगा। बिहेवियरल साइंस लैब हो सकता है इंडिया में किसी जगह पे नहीं बनी है अभी। What is behavioral science lab? Something again what we discussed with doctor and patient. कि आज कौन सी स्ट्रीम में लोगों को फायदा मिल रहा है, कहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट का पैसा ज्यादा जाना चाहिए, कौन सी ऐसी बीमारियां हैं जो हमारी पब्लिक को ज्यादा ग्रस्त कर रही है कि फंडिंग उधर डाइवर्ट होनी चाहिए। ऑल दीज थिंग्स दे विल बी आइडेंटिफाइड नॉट बाय पीपल टॉकिंग एट दिस लेवल बट बाय द डेटा दैट इज बीइंग जनरेटेड, और उस डेटा के ऊपर हम क्या काम कर सकते हैं, उससे भी सारी चीजें अपने आप निकल के आए। आरकेआई और एफडीआई, आरकेआई तो शुरू हो चुका है, फिनटेक जो डिजिटल इंस्टीट्यूट है जोधपुर में, अबाउट अपवर्ड्स ऑफ 500-600 करोड़ तो बिल्डिंग ही बिल्डिंग बन रही है अबटिंग आईआईटी जोधपुर। फिनटेक के ऊपर पूरे इंडिया में कोई भी ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं है जो फिनटेक डिजिटल इंस्टीट्यूट के नाम पे इस लेवल पे पिच कर रहा। Likewise, Rajasthan Institute of Advanced Learning, it is nothing but going beyond RCAT. What RCAT is doing, it's like a finishing school. तो 3 महीने के, कोई 6 महीने के कोर्सेस, कोई ऐसा एक्सपर्ट जो चाहे कोडिंग कर रहा है, डिजाइन कर रहा है, रोबोटिक्स पे काम कर रहा है, एग्रीटेक पे काम कर रहा है, अगर वो व्यक्ति चाहता है कि मैं अपनी जॉब के साथ साथ अपनी स्किल सेट को इम्प्रूव करना चाहता हूँ, वेयर शुड ही गो? Should go to these places because their performing is not okay. Every day new versions of software of products are being launched. तो आर्केड को जब आप देखते हैं तो आपको ये महसूस होता है गवर्नमेंट ये कोशिश कर रही है कि कोई नीश सेक्टर्स में जहाँ पे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस हो, डिप्लोमा स्कूल्स हो, आईटीआई हो या हायर एंड वर्जन्स हो, जब तक एप्लीकेबिलिटी ऑफ नॉलेज नहीं है तब तक हम आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे। कितने इंस्टीट्यूट से यहाँ पे एकेडमिया रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, आप में से कितने लोग एकेडमिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? आज जो एमओयू का प्रोग्राम रखा गया है, मेरा मानना है कि एकेडमिया को केवल और केवल एक चीज की हम रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, टाइम एंड कम जहाँ पे केवल नॉलेज इज नॉट सफिशिएंट, उसकी एप्लीकेशन जो है वो बहुत मस्त है। आई माइसेल्फ एम एन इंजीनियर फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन बैकग्राउंड। 4 साल की इंजीनियरिंग एक तरफ, और जब हमने इंडस्ट्री में काम करना शुरू किया वो 2 महीने, जितना उन 2 महीनों में सीखा, जिस व्यक्ति ने तनख्वाह देनी है आपको वो आपसे काम लेगा। काम आपको अगर आता नहीं है, या तो आप सीखोगे या पेरिश कर जाओगे। यही चीज इस समय पे पूरी इंडस्ट्री में चल रही है। नॉट ओनली फॉर वेरी प्राइवेट एनक्लोज नीश एरियाज लाइक योर्स, बट हमारे लिए आज एक आईटी कमिश्नर अगर आईटी को नहीं समझ पा रहा तो दैट पर्सन विल हैव टू गो। जैसे आप अभी समझना चाह रहे हैं, मेरी टीम जानती है कि मैं पूरा पूरा दिन किसी एक दिन डेटा सेंटर को जाके समझ रहे हैं, किसी दिन सॉफ्टवेयर सॉल्यूशन हैं तो कौन सी माइक्रो सर्विसेज यूज हो रही है, कौन से नए प्लेटफॉर्म आ रहे हैं। आफ्टर बीइंग एन इंजीनियर आल्सो 2006 के मैं पास आउट हुआ, कितने सालों बाद जनरेशन हैज चेंज्ड। इफ आई विल नॉट वेक अप टू दिस फैक्ट ये मेरी नॉलेज डिप्लॉयबल नहीं है, आई विल आल्सो पेरिश। वांट टू टॉक अबाउट यंगस्टर्स जो कि ग्लोबल लेवल पे compete करने के लिए उस संस्था को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। वो संस्था भी अगर किसी गलत आदमी को हायर कर लेगी वो संस्था ही खत्म हो जाएगी। आज बहुत ऐसी संस्थाएं हैं जो मैन पावर के लिए, बोलिंग के लिए यहाँ पे गई, हमारे साथ भी बैठे हैं जो साथ में काम करते हैं यूआईटी, they will not be able to survive until unless they move into those zones जहाँ पे उनकी अपनी एक्सपर्टीज। तो आज जिन साथियों का यहाँ पे आरकैट के साथ एमओयू साइन हो रहा है, ने इंटरेस्ट लिया, वो लोगों को हम अच्छे से सपोर्ट कर पाए, ये हमारी कोशिश रहेगी। मैं धन्यवाद व्यक्त करता हूँ सभी साथियों का जो आज हमारे साथ एसोसिएट हो रहे हैं। मिशन 2030 के लिए जो आज ओवरऑल चर्चा के लिए आप लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट किया है, दैट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट वी स्पोक, कि आज की तारीख में 7 साल या 10 साल का जो अंतराल है, उसमें कोई स्टेट डिपेंडेंट अपॉन सेक्टर्स लाइक एनर्जी, आईटी एंड अदर्स कैन लीव अदर स्टेट्स मच बिहाइंड एंड गो फर्दर। और कुछ ऐसी स्टेट्स होंगी, अगर वो समय रहते हुए जागरूक नहीं होंगी, तो वो भले टॉप लेवल पे चल रही है, वो 10 साल के बाद अपने आप को पायदान में नीचे भी पा रही है। So it is a good environment overall which is being created. India, Rajasthan, we are waking up to the fact that there is opportunity, but opportunity without proper skill set is a wasted opportunity. कृपया करके आप साथी भी जब जानते हैं आरकेड के बारे में आज जानकारी है, मिशन 2030 के ऊपर अपने सुझाव दें। आज आप देश की उनकी है, खास करके आरकेड को और यूआई को किस प्रकार से आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, उसके लिए हम लोग बहुत इंटरेस्ट से भी चाहते हैं, समझना भी चाहते हैं। अगर आपकी कोई क्वेरी हो, किसी प्रकार का लिटरेचर आपको चाहिए, किसी प्रकार की आपको एक्सेस टू हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए कि ये संस्थाएं क्या है, डीओआईटी किस किस में काम करता है, देयर इज नो डाउट कि वेबसाइट तो अवेलेबल है ही है, बट अगर हमारे यहाँ से कुछ ऑफिसर्स आपको उसके ऊपर स्पॉटलाइट ला पाए, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा ऑफिसर्स को इसको भी देखें। तो एक बार पुनः आप सभी लोग यहाँ पे आए, आप सभी लोगों ने हमें आपको डीओआईटी और राजस्थान मिशन 2030 के बारे में अवगत कराने का अवसर दिया है, उसके लिए मैं धन्यवाद व्यक्त करता हूँ और आशा करता हूँ कि जो मेरी उम्मीद है वो आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन तो इस मीटिंग से है, मैं आने वाले टाइम में कैसे आपको पार्टनर करते हैं, इसके लिए मैं और हमारी टीम हमेशा आपके लिए अवेलेबल होगी। एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you so much for the wonderful insight. YP has taken a lot of initiative in terms of IP transformation in our state. So we would go ahead with the annual report. We gave it for last month here by Madam. She also tell us that what all initiatives that we have taken, what all feathers of success that we have achieved last year, and what are we striving towards next year? What are we planning? Next can be shared by.
ये तो है, ये चाहिए एक्चुअली आप देख रहे हैं अपने जगह पे है ना, उनको ना दिखेगा प्रेजेंटेशन हाँ तेरे को भी
I'd like to welcome
क्या करें
the team which is already been associated with RTAC and have seated the associated with RTAC. I welcome all of the entire esteemed guests here. The esteemed faculties and head of institutions present here to associate with RCAT. As the Commissioner sir had already said, where why this institute, this finishing school, one of its kind, has been set up by the Rajasthan government. All of us are aware when we see the newspaper or the status of Rajasthan in India. IT infrastructure is one of the best in the country. I think all the industry representatives sitting here would agree with this fact. Yes, it is one of the best here. And the last 10 years, the vision and the pro-initiatives taken by the Rajasthan government has made Rajasthan the front runner. And it is not just a fact, but we like to do so. Because even if you could realize during the Corona times, Rajasthan state was able to handle all the situations without any issues just because of this good infrastructure available in Rajasthan. Not only it would be, I think our honorable CM officer, residents or often did not have to go, but yes, he had record number of meetings through VCs. So we have very good infrastructure here in Rajasthan. Government, we have good institutions of review and good skilled youth. But we do not have that ecosystem here. Whenever we talk about industry, we talk about IT, technology, it is always goes to some other state. Karnataka government, this is the situation. Karnataka is Tamil Nadu is way ahead, Maharashtra is way ahead, Gujarat is ahead. Where is Rajasthan? Students try to face the interviews or they reach to the other places. We collected from the industry people that there is a gap. Rajasthan students who are graduating from the institutions are not employable ready. They are not industry ready. So, understanding this, are they getting set up? Bridge the gap between the industry and the academics, academicians. Also, give insights to the academics as well as the industry so that we create an ecosystem. Even aspects, we should not have those curriculums which are ancient. Now, the speed of change and the advancement is also exponentially increasing. It's the gap is decreasing, the experience is increasing. आप पहले देखते हैं कि ठीक है 5 साल तक एक ही सेटअप चल रहा है 10 साल तक एक ही चीज चल रही है फिर देखा कि 5 साल अब तो हर 3 महीने 6 महीने में have a vast change in technology and absolutely are there. Technology has populated into all the spheres. So create ecosystem, create a space for jobs, create industries in the state, prevent brain drain, so that if these students, the youth, the professionals, the entrepreneurs get the facility, the inclusivity of accessibility, availability, then I think that some state can prosper. People will not have to go across to other states or migrate elsewhere to for their living. So that is the main thing. So I would also require like to give with for example, what we have done hand in hand with the academics which are very
associated with us and the industry partners. After that, there's so many since RCAP started the journey a year back. And as you've seen, it's the first of its kind. We did not have anywhere where to learn. And we were learning and developing and implementing. So during this 1 year, we've learned a lot. We've tried to establish ourselves. And now we are associated with 11 industry partners. All are experts and have their names in specific industries of the emerging and the advanced technology of today. This is the focus of the entire world. Global is at its peak, and the technologies which are at its peak, we are working on the same technologies with the partners of of the economies. So we are having 11 industry partners. Out of it are robotics, Cisco, Adobe, Microsoft, Red Hat, PC Council, VMware, FiTech. As we have been learning from functions also, new areas, new avenues, new streams are coming up day by day. Some areas we may have lagged behind because some, like about corporate development or some industry work like the governments, somewhere have been proactive and they have good availability of resources, training, or research and innovation. But the upcoming areas, if we catch up with the upcoming areas and the new areas, so I think, like Sir had said, in the coming times, the next 5 years, we will be again on the top ladder, or we will not be down. We will not climb down or the ladder. Say, like today, if you see, even in G20, we had some new areas MOU like biofuels, we're talking about semiconductors, we're talking about chips, we're talking about made in India, we are talking about exporting from here. So let's look at, let's work at the new areas, let's catch tightly the new areas where we have a skill, where the manpower of this country can be made use of. Everywhere you have some country of the other West countries there, they have less manpower, they have aging manpower. Here we have good youth manpower. Let's use that manpower, equip the manpower, skill the manpower, so that we, whatever is our vision of the country, becoming the global giant economic power, jahan bhi aa gaye hain, let's not allow the other countries to march forward. Let us be there in the forefront. We have our academic partners. We were earlier we were not that much in stride because we were not even just learning what we would give to the academic partners, but what academic partners हमसे benefit करेंगे. So we have signed agreement with now we are also there almost on the work of signing with more industry partners as well. We I think if we did not have the event very soon, September, I've been having more industry partners. In this 1 year, we've been trying to increase our bouquet of offers. We started with very few OEMs, very few courses, very few options. So we started now with a bouquet of courses, different types of courses. So we started only with the global certification, few courses. We have increased our bouquet with the global certification. We understood, since we are bridging the gap between the industry and the academia. So, like Sir had said, and all our esteemed faculty would agree with me that what knowledge is gained during the academic courses. That is not sufficient for us for them. The industry in the training है, internship है, 2 months, like so had said, 3 months, 6 months. That is the time when they learn कि practically क्या जरूरत है. What is the need? What that industry want? Where am I lacking behind? Knowledge है, मुझे इसको implement करना है. Where is that? So that is where we thought to offer the internship program where the student would certification will learn a new technology, a project, and it would be a real-time project. The project would be given by our industry partners. All the industry partners have the ecosystem, right? Ecosystem में हर technology में कोई ना कोई problem statement होते हैं. अगर student को problem statements पे काम करें, they will have first-hand training. State government की बात करें तो we are having 10 on all different technologies. Even these students are given hands-on on those projects. I think इसके बारे में और जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. The scale, the volume, the type of the project, that will, as well as if they have the experience of this project, I think the review will speak louder. I think already academic people will agree to it. So that is the reason we started. Apart from the global certification, which might has not motivated that much students, let's start with the internship program of small technologies along with the industry collaboration. And now, I've also been seen, and everyone is aware, that when we talk about academics, the faculties also have to be sensitized, trained, motivated, encouraged, and share the insights with the students of the upcoming technologies, the emerging technologies. So we would like also to move aggressively in the faculty development programs. Like you see we have good infrastructure, internet connectivity, and the students, the youth would like to learn, but somewhere, wherever they're sitting, anywhere, we would aggressively in organizing webinars since we have our industry partners, we have connects with the experts in the technologies. So we have already conducted webinars and we offer webinars for emerging technology. Also, जब हम बात करते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी की, हाँ इंडिया में NIT है. That is a very small percentage of our pay. With major youth coming out from other places, from these other engineering colleges, private engineering colleges, smaller cities, where the students are not even aware of the technology. This is what we've done in the last 1 year. That is about the smaller city of Rajasthan. Students are let alone, facilities are नहीं दे रही है, but they are not even knowing the technology. What is technology? So क्या फायदे होंगे? What prospects are there in the technology? So we've also associated and thankful for our industry partners who are giving us free introductory courses also, so that we need to conduct introductory courses. The three institutions, we are ready for the introductory courses. Few courses are available on the website also, which the students can easily see, understand, so that their interest is aroused. पढ़ने के बाद हाँ इसको मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ कि मैं this is interesting कि I can work more. So इसलिए we are also having the introductory courses and the basic knowledge from the different technologies. Since we have been engaged continuously, so whatever is our vision, mission, need not be spelled out elaborately. But we have our We are at the top with 2 stars for our infrastructure and the news, the methodology, the modality with which we are working is being appreciated by other states. We are the first open a school to run and conduct a policing school, create a policing school with some vision and objective. Now, similar is being again taken up by the other states, and 2 states are coming up, are interacting with us as well. When we talk about states, तो ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत सारे states हैं like तमिलनाडु, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha. They're all also are looking towards the setup, the process, the procedure, what Rajasthan is formulating, and how Rajasthan is finding it. We have, as I've been saying, कि जब कॉलेज की बात हमें स्टूडेंट्स को पूरी तरह से 360 का डिग्री डेवलपमेंट करना है. अकेडमिक से कोर्सेज करके आएंगे, एकदम करके आएंगे with the degree, to equip them with skills through the other additional skills whatever is required in the degree courses. Apart from that, employable is their soft skills and their personality development is also created. These are very, if you address these, the students immediately become, they climb up the ladder for, and they are in a better position. So we are conducting the pre-introductory courses. We've also been conducting English or English language courses, the skill development courses, the software development courses. As we said, कि आर्ट इस 1 साल में पहले मैं था कि जयपुर से कर रहे हैं, 1 सेंटर था. आपने देखा कि इसी साल में it is just not an announcement. It is just not something on paper. We have spread our wings. We have spread our outreach at 6 more centers. I think everyone is aware, आप all are aware कि हमारे आर्ट के 6 centers are functional. Building बन रही है. We are not ready for the full building to come. Let it take 1 year, but we are already there for the next campuses at the port. Where if we have the batches, we would be there in Kota and Kurol. We already have the approval all the places. Because we are in a position to run our classes, our courses there. So that way, students of the other cities also will have the outreach will increase to both the places. We would also now increase our reach with online courses. Online courses करेंगे. Online courses not that way. It is self-paced courses, not the self-paced courses. It doesn't make that much sense the self-paced courses. That's we are embarking on instructor-led courses. कोई बच्चा पाली से कनेक्ट बच्चे पाली से सीखना चाहते हैं, जो ऐसे सीखना चाहते हैं, तो सीखना चाहते हैं, we can them. It is a need that is inclusivity करना है सबको. We will have an instructor-led courses for the students in the other cities of Rajasthan as well. So online courses, when we are going to start very soon, then I think we would be able to cover the entire span of Rajasthan to all the courses. Best part of it is we can, since we have the industry with us, the gathering with us, and a different segment of students, customize with us. Between 5 courses will be customized for women, specifically courses can be customized for rural women, for specially able students. We've already done it. We've already tried it. We've done two courses for women and rural women. We already have the special able students, and now we already, I think, very soon we already have another batch of special needs able. You can train them. Plus, technology will help them empower them. So we are having special batches. Similarly, we can also go for more batches. Day by day, we are the facilities are increasing, so the enrollment is also increasing. And in this Punjab board, we have about every Punjab we are increasing the enrollment. Until now, we enrolled around 1,200 plus. And we see the news is fast. People, whenever they hear about Rajasthan, they then we come to visit to see the structure, to understand the organization, what the organization. So we have lot of visits from different universities, from different colleges, from Jaipur and outside Jaipur. Even now we are having students who are planning and they have asked, requested for industrial visits outside Jaipur and outside the state. So we are having industrial visits of students from outside the state as well. So it's the number. We have huge outreach to 85 colleges, 85 plus colleges. We have more understood. We have also outreach them to sensitize them about the industry, the requirement of need of the day, so that the students, instead of going for a straight the earlier set vanilla career growth, they can always have a trajectory in their career growth. While arcade was being set up, we had identified few technologies where we would have association and program for that. So now we technologies for artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, robotics, cloud computing, AR/VR, big data analysis, and quantum computing. I think with AR/VR also we are also under progress. We are quantum computing that we have associated with all the partners in the technologies. In addition to that, understanding the requirement, we have also associated designing with development, with embedded systems, with app development, and even the programming languages of Oracle, of Python, of Java, etc. Rajasthan state government हर तरह से स्टूडेंट को इंक्लूसिव इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेट कर रहे हैं, एनवायरमेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और the best part is giving scholarships. So now students, the meritorious students should get the benefit, and yes, Rajasthan में meritorious students भी कमी नहीं. We select the meritorious students, so we conduct quizathon where we invite applications from the interested students. They appear for they register for the quizathon, appear for the test. After the test, they are awarded scholarships. So we appreciate that the scholarships we award are from 50% to 100% students. So now I think the students can age of courses which they want to take training, yeah, we have to go to Bangalore or go to Hyderabad. They do not have to go, but the courses are available in Rajasthan at affordable prices. Since we are giving scholarship, we are tied up directly with the industry, so the courses are cheaper than the market. And the government is also investing in the infrastructure. So courses are not there, and I would like to inform you that we have conducted more quizzes registration for the fifth semester is already started. So मेरी request है कि जो सारे academic partners हैं, please अपने colleges के students को please sensitize students so that the registrations are there and maximum students are benefited. We have no limited offer नहीं है. जितने ज्यादा बच्चे आएंगे, जितने ज्यादा बेनिफिट होंगे, आपको हमें अच्छा लगेगा. So, बिल्कुल जैसे बोला, अगर तुम्हें बोले हैं हमारा हाल, तो बच्चे ले सकते हैं, उसका फायदा लेगा, बच्चे फायदा लेंगे, ठीक है. तो कि IIT का नहीं है कि 100 फीट है, पूरे बच्चे लग रहे हैं कोटा में यहाँ पढ़ेंगे, 100 फीट के कंप्लीट करेंगे, कंप्लीट करेंगे, 100 फीट नहीं है. These are unlimited. Students have to register, show their interest, take the course, take the certifications, and have the scholarship from the government so that जब लोग अपना कोर्स कंप्लीट करते हैं, they are ready. ऐसा लगना चाहिए क्योंकि अभी जब मैं बैंगलोर गई, मुझे बहुत सारे बच्चों को कहीं ना कहीं it is really very nice to hear. जैसे वो जाते हैं, मैम राजस्थान के 10 बच्चे हैं यहाँ, हम राजस्थान के एलिमेंट के बच्चे हैं, पूर्णिमा के बच्चे हैं, इंस्टीट्यूट के बच्चे. It's nice to hear even those people giving, they have and the students have done well also. तो उनको लगता है कि बच्चे अच्छे हैं. Because I'm telling them now someday now we'll have to work more with the students. That's something. कोई industry or any house क्या सोचते हैं, first step कितनी जल्दी हम उसको एम्प्लॉय करते हैं, उनसे हम काम निकाल सकते हैं. इस ट्रेनिंग देना पड़ेगा जल्दी से जल्दी. They are productive people. So let us make our students capable, empower them so that they are productive on the first day. And because as I said, we are going to go with the scholarship have been already given scholarship to around 1,250 students. 850 बच्चों को दे चुके हैं स्कॉलरशिप. तो और ये नंबर बहुत कम है. सरकारी इतने कम क्यों है? Because स्टूडेंट्स तो आए. We are waiting for the students. So we request the industry as well as the academic people so that चाहे हाइब्रिड कोर्सेज का फायदा ले, ऑफलाइन कोर्सेज का फायदा ले या ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज का ले, बट दे शुड स्किल एंड अपस्किल themselves so they are ready. बट इससे आपकी रिपोर्ट भी अच्छा होगा कि जैसे हैं all the students are being placed in the latest technologies. We've also started with our internship program. Now we've also said we've started the internship program. And we had around 44 students who had applied to the internship. So in any institute, the internship of this, I think it's about now. And now we would like to have the exponentially rise in the internship. Students will have direct interaction with the industry, with the experience playing as this is a plain certificate. Actually, where I have been saying this also earlier. Again, I would like to reiterate that. I have been in this industry since I have 25 years. Training at पिछले 25 साल से हूँ ट्रेनिंग से अंदर. उसमें जो ट्रेनिंग्स आते थे फॉर इंटर्नशिप फ्रॉम फ्यू कॉलेजेस, IIT से आते थे, IIT से आते थे, उनका क्या माइंडसेट होता था. फिर कुछ प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस के पूरे उन स्टूडेंट्स का जब इंटर्नशिप पे आते थे, उनका क्या माइंडसेट होता था. तभी सीखना है, तो जज्बा था जब वो सीखना है. जो बेटा सीख कर रहे हैं, हमने ये नहीं सीखा, हमने तो सीख सीखा है और कॉलेज पे एक हफ्ते में हम सीख के आ जाएंगे. आप बीवी करना प्रोग्रामिंग एक हफ्ते में जो बेसिक काम सीख के आ जाएंगे. They'll come within a week. They'll come to learn. हमें प्रोजेक्ट दे दो. They'll sit round the clock to learn and then deliver project. And those people who teacher they have been placed at senior most level. It would be all जज्बा था. उसके बाद जब बच्चे आने लगे इन द लास्ट 10 years, अभी भी 250 लेवल्स पर आते हैं, मैम इंटर्नशिप कराएंगे, बच्चे आएंगे नहीं, सर्टिफिकेट। प्लीज ये जो गैप मैनेजमेंट है, इंटर्नशिप बच्चा सर्टिफिकेट दे करके एक्चुअली क्या होएगा, person whoever are indulging in this, it is a lot clear to the students. लिख देगा मैंने इस डिपार्टमेंट में काम किया, मैंने इस इंडस्ट्री में काम किया, उसका कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है। और रिपोर्ट एवरीवन नोट, आई डू नॉट बट स्टूडेंट को पता है क्या है, हम रिपोर्ट खरीद लेंगे, ये करेंगे, बट नॉट डन। यहाँ कर लिया आपने, आपका एकेडमिक दरियाफ्त कर दिया आपने। What will happen when you face the interview? What will happen when you go into the industry? First year, competition हमेशा रहेगा। When you go to a private company, ये थोड़ी है कि एक बार आप घुसते तो आपको मालूम निकालेंगे। If you are not going to work, learn with just then you are going to internship. One, where would request that we have a maximum participation so that the students are based and they are ready for the industry. We've also started knowledge series. So seminars, webinars, 10 webinars till now. We've conducted 14 seminars and around 9 workshops with different partners in RCAP and in the providers of the different institutes. Increasing this, but this is also one way of giving information, sensitizing the students and encouraging students to understand the latest technologies. We've conducted sessions for the facilitator also. We are also releasing our newsletters so that time to time, every 3 months, हमने क्या किया है, discussing through आपको information देते रहेंगे. So once we all get associated, or we become our customers, and you will be getting all the information regularly now. Any form of news that of webinars or seminar. So that's let's have a break. बढ़ते जाए, नंबर तो है, उठते जाए और हम बढ़ते जाए. Then now what we have read is faculty development program is also very important. This is an area where we would like to go more aggressively. Students for the courses is taking here, but we would want to go whatever resources, whatever having, we are ready to conduct faculty development regularly with the help of our industry partners. Once the faculties are trained, motivated, empowered, and trained, the students, the number of the students will also increase. Everything is same. We've already conducted and we have enrolled more than 190 faculty members in the offline mode and around 200 online mode. So we would now like to double and triple the numbers next year so that we have more faculties associated with us. The registration is also increasing exponentially now. Certification, and now yes, we have also embarked with the next level. So हम बात करते हैं students empower हो गया, certification देंगे आप क्या placement. So now we have also started conducting placement drives by our industry partners. Here we are empowering placement agencies also for, and we have a lot of हम DOIT की बात करते हैं. DOIT के बहुत सारे हाथ हैं. We have 10 number of arms. Sir had already talked about fintech. Sir talked about real. Sir, I talked about startups. We have a big ecosystem of startups as well, where the startup ecosystem is starting, and it is encompassing the industry, all the colleges, it is also going to the school. We are district level, at the college level, at the school level also in the rural sector. So that very big arm and an outreach. So even with startup, they also require manpower. They also require the youth to help them out. तो अगर राजस्थान के यूथ यही के स्टार्टअप के में यही अब जॉब हो जाए तो देन नथिंग लाइक इट ठीक है so that is how we are also partnering and we are associating the startup so that that is also one of the revenues who are going to get the job so creating environment of a total ecosystem जिसके अंदर इंडस्ट्री भी हो प्लेसमेंट भी हो स्टूडेंट भी हो so that राजस्थान से ब्रेन नहीं हो राजस्थान बिकम सेल्फ सफिशिएंट इंडस्ट्री हम कैसे कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हम when IT companies are going to cities like Bhopal or Indore or Chandigarh, Jaipur, बहुत टाइम से जब बैंगलोर हैदराबाद Bali, तब से जयपुर why IT companies are not going to Jaipur? Because we need that infrastructure first, which government is giving. If all the industry have only one problem, bottleneck issue is यहाँ मैन पावर नहीं मिलता मैन नहीं है लोग बाहर से काम to जयपुर और जयपुर में लोग मैन पावर नहीं मिल रहा so now if we have manpower means skilled manpower and I think now after corona time Jaipur has also been heaven for many people लोग जो बाहर कहीं काम कर रहे थे जयपुर आ सकते साल भर रेंट पे मकान लेकर के stay at home for that and Jaipur is funny comfortable working in Jaipur and Rajasthan. So now we have to work in such situations so that we create the teachers, the facilities for all. So we till now that is what we were also conducting free courses. So you can see that we have been around 32 free courses available, where a few of our partners have been very generous to offer their courses, and we are introductory and free courses so that students are aware of at least the course में है क्या. Suppose we अगर students सुनते हैं, मैं simple example ऐसे कि पढ़ रहे हैं, मेटावर्स की बात करते हैं, AR/VR की बात करते हैं. ठीक है हम इंटरनेट ब्राउज करके देख लेते हैं समझ लेते हैं अदर फिर वर्क विद इन एनवायरनमेंट देखते नहीं है what is the difference between AR what is the difference between VR what is there in augmented reality what is there in meta फर्क क्या है ठीक है so these all these courses अगर we are able to give them by way of courses webinars the students के interest भी aroused होते हैं स्टूडेंट को पता नहीं है उनका एक क्या है इस वाला कोर्स तो करेंगे तो आप उनको नौकरी मिल जाएगी इस कोर्स को करेंगे तो कौन सी नौकरी मिलेगी कहाँ और where are the job options what are the job prospects so once we sensitize them the courses the content available students will be sensitized and we will have more aware skilled youth here at Rajasthan. I would like to offer that. As I have said, we have also started with the placement drives. So we've already conducted 5 placement drives and 17 companies have already visited. So I think this is also a commendable number of companies who have interacted with RTAC in the short last 6 months for placements. Every college has group. If we would be conducting placement drives here also, if we are connecting a bridge between the industry as well as the academy. So students for placement के avenues के यहाँ we can also work together to have the avenues for the placements. And continuous now we will also try to move in different direction also. That we will take in the next 30. We are continuously interacting with the industry so that latest और आगे की क्या requirement है. If we are able to address the immediate अभी क्या चल रहा है requirement, some mass requirement are there, if you are able to address, you will be able to put our students on track at the earliest before others. That we are regularly tracking and we are trying to increase our bouquet with those courses also. So let's, because I've already spoken till now, just one capsule and then we will move past to the others. As you are aware, we have started our journey in August 22. We've had an expo in November, span of 3 months. We started in November in Jodhpur. And now we are having 5 more places. We've already started in June. March में announcement हुआ था ऐसे classes start हो चुकी है and our partners will agree to that and we have started. I don't want to make it classes at Ajmer, at Udaipur, at Kota, and we will soon be doing at Bikaner and Rajasthan. We have increased. We are having our industry partners. We already have 11, 4 on the pipeline. So we have 50. I think by September end, October start, we will have 15 partners to enroll who are specifically for the 7 program from more than 700. We have completed 47 batches. The batch size the duration is from week to 6 months as well. We have completed around faculty members को हमने associate किया है. We have had more than 3,000 visitors. National visitors बैठे हैं from Delhi, UP, Chandigarh, Punjab, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. We've taken new initiatives. Meanwhile, as I've been saying, we are definitely suggest करते हैं inside. We are free. We are flexible to create customized special courses, batches, and capsules. Also done courses for the rural women, and also we direct specific children. Now, this is our 1 year story. So I think, though it might not sound like we have done much, but there's something we have done. So I think the entire ARCAD team and all we have to congratulate ourselves, right? In this 1 year, what we have learned, interacted, hand in hand, we've been able to do something that I have presented till now. But it is a long way. अभी तक हम क्या कहते हैं steps ले रहे थे. Now we have to take giant strides. चुके हैं. समझ गया है. So now we have to take big strides. So now we are working from the first slide. We are working towards जो हम बात कर रहे हैं कि 7 places पे start करना है. Set up properly. Program is also being set up properly. There are 5 places. We are the way to increase and fully operate the target center. Early here, we will be positioned there. It would be there by the market. 2 places he was already there, so that वहाँ के colleges, वहाँ के students, वहाँ के academic experts को associate करके the teams residing there would work in that division. Because our 7 divisional headquarters system, our presence is there. So now it will be easier for them to reach to the other districts and coordinate with the academics people there. So that, and we would like to have academic partners across the state. आप स्टेट को हम ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि अदर जगह किसी जगह करना चाह रहे हैं, बैच बन जाएगा. We would be ready to request our partners to conduct batches there. अगर कोई कॉलेज जो है, अगर कोई कॉलेज से पाली है या भरतपुर है या कहीं भी इंडिविजुअल कॉलेज में बैच बनता है और लग रहा है कि वहाँ स्टूडेंट्स को सीखना है, तो वी आर रेडी टू कंडक्ट बैचेस देयर. लाइक वी गॉट रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम Manasri. Manasri जब इतना कितने कोर्सेज करवाने हैं, तो वी रेडी फॉर दैट. If we are having some each other places where we are not having, we are ready to conduct courses there and still the students there as well. So associated maximum academic partners across the state and conduct online courses. That coming over the number that's just a small number. Able to have maximum, how would be able to maximize by having online instructor-led courses. How we are defining our courses, इसमें पूरा instructor पढ़ाएंगे, आपके पूरे exercise होंगी, पूरे projects होंगे, so that properly that the students are getting the feel that they are learning. Self improvement नहीं आता, वो skill set नहीं आता, तो instructor में आ पाएगा. We are ready for that, and that way to be able to be maximum and free courses. दूसरी और जो अभी हमें लगा है कि एक स्टूडेंट काउंसलिंग की बहुत जरूरत है. स्टूडेंट जो है सीधा सीधा हमें भी लोग देख रहे हैं इवन ड्यूरिंग एडमिशन टाइम ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स रश हमें तो सीएस चाहिए, हमें तो कंप्यूटर साइंस चाहिए, उसका आगे कुछ नहीं और भी फील्ड है and the strength नहीं है. You might be put in designing. They might be put in something else. Because which aspect to take the engineering core aspect of the program. Take the core designing, mechanical designing. So they might be having there. Students को counsel करना पड़ता है. Because जब हम कहते हैं कि बेरोजगारी है, बेरोजगारी नहीं है. It's a lot of job fairs also. कंपनी आती हैं उनके पास है स्टूडेंट्स नहीं लेते हैं क्योंकि दे हैव देयर ओन प्रीडिफाइंड माइंडसेट है कि अरे उस साल के बच्चों को 8 लाख का पैकेज मिला तो 12 लाख का पैकेज मिल गया, हमें ये 3 लाख का दे रहे हैं, 4 लाख का दे रहे हैं, हमें नहीं दे रहे हैं. 3 लाख क्या पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो से कि बाहर जाएगा, 15 मिलेगा, 25,000 मिलेगा, 30,000 मिलेगा, दैट इज नॉट देयर. So that counseling even today, well, we have empaneled placement agency, and we try to talk to the 90 students who have got the certification here. They have been certified here. हम जॉब देने को तैयार हैं. कंपनी उनसे बात कर रही है, लेकिन उनका भी हमको नहीं देना, हमको वहां नहीं जाना, हमको ये भी करना. They have lot of constraints. So counseling the students is also very essential so that the students are also they are able to get the job. First day में ये नहीं हो सकता कि आप first day सुनते हैं कि 12 लाख का पैकेज है, 50 लाख का है, you also stay in the same individual के आपको वही मिलेगा. हम 6 लाख का पैकेज नहीं लेंगे, 4 लाख का पैकेज नहीं लेंगे. Not that. That counseling very important, which we have to do, and we are implementing the psychometric assessment as well, so that student access हो जाता है कि चाहते क्या है, उनकी strength क्या है, उनकी skill set क्या है. There should be a proper mapping so that students get the maximum of what they are capable of. They might not be capable of something, but they want it. Let's maximize their capability so that they get the maximum. So we are trying to do for that. And we would also now conduct placement aligned training. We are going to very soon conduct those training courses जिसमें हमें पता है कि हमें कहीं इस इंडस्ट्री से ये प्लेसमेंट आ गई है. We have openings for 100 people for this type of opening. So उसके लिए we would train. Then we would invite that industry to interview them and select. So that way, so it's not only giving placement assistance, we will try to maximize our placement assurance as well with our placement aligned trainings. And to we would also increase the internship and enhance. जैसे अभी इसने कहा कि संख्या 2006 में उसके बाद आगे बढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं, आगे भी इससे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. टेक्नोलॉजी सेक्टर में अपस्किल की जरूरत नहीं है. Because there, otherwise you are out of the industry. When I was learning 35 years back, पता नहीं मैंने कौन से आईटी के कोर्सेज किए थे. If I had not skilled or upskilled myself, would I be able to stand in front of this audience? No. So that is also required, which we have to do it continuously. We would, since we are a government body, we have our academic representatives here also. So we would like, and we would be requesting these government bodies to update their curriculum and make the curriculum available. This is the main need of the day. आपका curriculum जो है, it should be flexible enough and it should be as per the requirement of the industry. So, being a government body, we would try, we would request, we would intervene with our government departments, with our government universities, the bodies which are creating the curriculums now very soon, so that the curriculum is industry aligned. दूसरी चीज ये थी जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था, हमने सोचते कि प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी तो कहते कि हमने तो कर लिया है, करिकुलम चेंज करते रहते हैं, हमने डाटा साइंस ले लिया है, हमने एआई ले लिया है, हमने एमएल ले लिया है. Few universities have started the credit system as per anything, but those private institutions जो ठीक है आगे उन्होंने ले लिया, सरकारी यूनिवर्सिटीज the government is falling behind, which we will try to act as a catalyst and increase the pay. But कुछ चीजें कुछ 4 साल में आपको देख रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट ईयर से फर्स्ट ईयर में वही बोरिंग वही पुराने सब्जेक्ट्स को लेकर चलते हैं, नए सब्जेक्ट नया पेपर नहीं डालते, सेकेंड ईयर में नहीं डालेंगे, फिर आप यूनिवर्सिटीज की नींद लगती है थर्ड ईयर या फोर्थ ईयर में स्टूडेंट अपने आप को प्लेसमेंट दिया तैयार करने के लिए होता है, आप कुछ जिसको ऑफर करते हो वो इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होता. थर्ड ईयर में जितना से आप करोगे यू कैन give them the latest in 1 year. So we have to introduce the latest courses, the latest technology in from year 1 itself. That is the need of the day. Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4 grade. So then the students will be well equipped and you would be in a position, you would be thirsty enough to grasp more. एक साल आप ट्राई टू मेक इट ऊपर से जब उन्हें लास्ट में नहीं होता, तो मेरा एक सजेशन होगा कि the private universities also and all our academic bodies should try to incorporate from the first year itself. We would also advocate the credit system so that students को लगे कि इससे करने से उनको फायदा मिलेगा. And we are in the process of conducting mass awareness training programs. जैसे अभी आप देख रहे हैं सरकार इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दे रही है, कोरोना ने सिखा दिया है, हर एक लेवल के लोगों को सिखा दिया है how to make use of IT. You could see that the entire world is congratulating India की सोच नहीं सकते थे कि इंडिया जैसी कंट्री है तो बिल्कुल लोएस्ट लेवल के लोग, be it small rural worker, rural अगर कोई like so like they were talking about a fruit seller or a pot HTM, मतलब you can understand बहुत मुझे खुशी होती है, मेरे को कई बार अच्छा लगता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है आजकल since I've been 25 years. तो जब IT ट्रेनिंग कराते थे, मैं फोर्स करके उसको ट्रेन कराता था. गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज को फोर्स करके IT ट्रेनिंग करो. यूज्ड टू हियर 5 साल लगे अपने रिटायरमेंट में, हम क्या सीखेंगे, अब इतने से साल सीखे, अब क्या सीखेंगे. वो जो एक माइंडसेट था वो ऐसा चेंज हुआ है कि आप देखते हैं कि आपके घर में भी जो अपने बुजुर्ग है जिन्होंने कभी काम नहीं किया होगा IT, फोन के थ्रू अपने बच्चों से वो इंटरनेट के थ्रू वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल से बात करते थे. और जो इवन से लोग भी से जो डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर के लोग है वो भी मोबाइल फोन से पेमेंट करते हैं, सीधा बोलते हैं आप तो ऐसे करो और आप कुछ पे डाल दो या आप स्कैन करो डाल दो पैसा क्या आप कहते हैं. नहीं तो पीवा थिंकिंग लोग लेंगे क्या, इन द वे दैट माइंडसेट हैज बीन चेंज. जब उन लोगों का माइंडसेट चेंज हो गया है so abruptly, so I think the academics and people and the students far behind them. उसी स्पीड से we also have to adopt the change and change our process immediately. We are also interested in having our partners and creating a think tank here with representatives of eminent institutes. So we are already having talks with the क्योंकि हर टेक्नोलॉजी में या इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं काम करता. And IIT Kanpur might be working with some technology, they might be a front end there. IIT might be working with some other. We will take the eminent people, the dean and the other experts from those, and we create a think tank here so that we have representations and we are working with all the people there and be able to help the students. We would like to have the international exposure with it, national exposure with it. Like we have seen that बाकी स्टेट से मतलब तमिलनाडु से आ रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं कोई इंडस्ट्री में और अभी इवन फ्रॉम कर्नाटका वी आर गेटिंग स्टूडेंट्स फॉर इंडस्ट्री गेटिंग फ्रॉम ओडिशा फॉर इंडस्ट्री then so we also have to give the flavor to the students. So we are planning and for our students also to have an exposure with national and international industry exposure with it. Also, when we talk about digital literacy, मोबाइल फोन में सिर्फ फोन पे बात करना है व्हाट्सएप पे बात इट्स नॉट इनफ. You have to increase the level of literacy. ये सब सारी सर्विसेज कैसे ले सकते हैं the entire citizen. So we would like to have the mass awareness program in emerging technology. So we have to target 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh so that एक message जाए, एक buzz जाए. We have trained this many people. Like we could say that government of Rajasthan had done the RSCID code. इतने लोगों को computer literacy courses किया. That creates something. Yes, we've done some mass literacy courses. So we are interested and we are working towards having the mass awareness training program in the emerging technology, the software, soft skills, and personality development as well. And we were working towards also increasing our resources. So, हम सरकार देगी उतना फंड है. Our target is more. Our outreach is more. We would look avenues for creating and making our CAT sustainable. Revenue is what they generate करें. CSR funds को भी हम थोड़ा सा इसको divert करें, indulge करें, so that we are able to deploy and empower more students. That we have a lot of free content, introductory course available. We are having around 11 partners already here. Many academic institutions are also here. We can create a virtual library which would be freely accessible to all the students of all the information required for the student of the latest technology. कुछ हम इकट्ठा करेंगे, इंडस्ट्री देंगी. Why should all the academic partners reinvent the wheel? आपके पास भी कुछ वीडियोस होंगे, कुछ कंटेंट क्रिएट किया होगा. Let's club together at one place. Let's make content available for the students so that the students are able to have all the content. The latest content, पुराना content की अब बात नहीं कर रहे, emerging and advanced technology का content available हो, so that we can create a virtual library. So I have before I hand over to get inputs from all our members here and move forward, I would just like to end saying that ACAT stands as a beacon of educational and training excellence, where we are working, we will not compromise on quality, inclusivity for all, and global standards. We promise to empower the next generation of tech-savvy professionals ready to take on the challenges of the evolving tech world. So, I would like to finish off with saying this. बीज बो दिया है. Now it is healthy enough, it is ready to sprout. Let us all join hands, the academics, the industry, architect, and let us nurture and have and see that Rajasthan bears the best fruit of empowered, good, skilled youth. ये पता लगे कि हाँ राजस्थान is the front runner और यहाँ के youth stands. Thank you. Political elections. It was really good to know that what we did in last 1 year, and it is true that in this 1 year we have set a benchmark. When people from other states they come here, they ask us, then where is the argument? We want to know the model of it. So they were, I mean, report one of the incident, Tamil Nadu team came here and we had a plan showing lot of. They themselves came here and they said they want to see our and we want to see the model. This is what the success we have achieved, and it's all because of the thank you. Now we have to invite the Maulana Azad University with us. So we invite you here on diet. May you please come. We'll find you sign the MOU. And may you please have a photograph also. It's representative from Chandigarh University. May you please come on the diet. How Andhra is spreading its wing, just not in the state but outside the state. We'll have university that they found this potential at RCAP, and we are collaborating today to take this energy forward, not only into the state but into the state also.
He's completing his thing. Then only will go.
I would request representative of GCRT with more time before. I would Lakshmi Niwas with the technology, maybe common guidance and then 5 years. Korea college. They come on the diets and let's sign the M. Now we are done with the MOU signing ceremony and congratulations to all who have been outcome. I welcome you all and like this successful another one again. Yeah, and we meet again after this 1 year. Now why am I here? Why am I here? The ceremony about Mission 2030. And I have another mic with me. I think we should go with the process that one from the academic and one from the industry. They will get 1 minute. Let's talk that what we can do for another 7 years and we make our state to be the pioneer state in the nation, right? And first of all, since we have Honorable PC sir with us, I could start with him, sir. So just let us know how do we go ahead. Sir, if you want to.
Object color. And from the and we are fighting for the marginalization of society. So हम लोग के 2030 तक उस सेक्शन तक कैसे पहुंचे जाए ग्रास रूट पे वो कोशिश हमारी होनी चाहिए कि आईटी सेक्टर जो है तो नॉट फॉर द हायर डिग्री लेयर बट फॉर द हाउ we can reach to the marginalized section of society at the grassroots level. वो कोशिश की जाए और हम लोग सारे एकेडमिक ट्राई करें कि लास्ट तो हमारे सीएम साहब की कहते हैं कि 36 गाँव तक हर लाभार्थी पहुंचे तो ये कोशिश हमारी गवर्नमेंट और दो आईटी सेक्टर ऐसे पहुंचे
It was great. Anybody from industry to have well-known industry people here to talk about that how they find or what they think that Arcad should do if they really want to go ahead by 24, especially in terms of technology.
And it has been a pleasure working with you. This has been a wonderful journey for the last 40 years. And that is what I was just having a chat with you, the manager. So, what we are looking at, and I always keep saying one thing. When it is a government-sponsored program, it has to reach to the masses. 700,000, 2,000 numbers is something which is very minuscule. And that is what we are looking at. And as we discussed yesterday, that by 2030, we have to look at that how many people have got engaged with digital IT literacy. And the target that is there in my mind is that in Rajasthan, we should at least have 1 million, that is 10 lakh people, or more than that, at least at the engagement level. And that is going to bridge the digital divide. And that's very, very important. Once we do that, then we have to enable. And when we enable, it means that they have to be ready at the foundation level. And they can be ready at the foundation level with a lot of foundational programs. Again, they can start working, and that's where the IT digital literacy will help them to bridge that gap. The second and the third layer, which is the topmost layer, is that we empower them with the intermediate IT skills, and that is where our get is going to be much more supportive. And that could be the vision for 2030. And then we have to excellence, and that is the proficiency, and that is where innovation comes in. And so we are looking at that by 2030, at least 1 million should be at the digital, at the enablement level, at the engagement level. Around 1 lakh should be at the enablement level, 50,000 at the empowerment level, and 20,000 at least at the excellence level, at the proficiency. And that's what I look at it as a mission to her. Thank you.
Have that we are looking at working towards the training or upskilling or certification program. We're also working towards the advanced technology literacy program, and it should go to the as an event. This is the reason that we are now going to start soon with the awareness program through some free courses, through some videos or workshops. We'll go to the market, we'll talk about all these technologies when we go and do these workshops and we get them. This is what is one of the, and the vocabulary challenge program. This is one of the action items for us for the next 1 year. Anything from academia, that since you big organization, what do you think that what is the challenges that you are facing in academia when students are going towards the industry and they are going to implement their project in industry? No, it's perfect. So since you are involved, you are associated with one of the great academic institutions, then what challenges that you are facing when students are passing from academia, their colleges, and going to industry? And so how could the industry people can resolve those challenges?
Okay. One thing at LNMIT, to be very specific, that we have seen when the company visit us like 5 years back, there was a gap that the students are not industry ready. So we started, we had partnership with IBM and Microsoft, and we started our minor programs. And that really helped us. And then the students themselves started taking internships. And we have made a provision of 1 semester long internship. And now in the new curriculum, we have made 3 internship provisions. So they can go for internship at least 3 times and even more. So that is the thing that we are trying to bridge the gap in our new curriculum. We started with one internship and we never asked for a certificate from the that we have done an internship, we need a certificate. Because if we start asking that, then it becomes a formality. So that is one thing that we have done. You are learning, do it for yourself, otherwise don't do it. So partnering with industry, the gap was the actual knowledge and we are filling it through the semester long internship.
That's great. And internship is very important because when you pursue further and we enter into the industry, starting working there, these internship works as a catalyst and they helped us to onboard the industry as early as possible. And they have started the industry the internship program with us. It is on a very minimal amount and it's just not any internship. Yeah. It is just not the any internship. It is about work, learning, and working on a life project implementation of safe learning on the life project. Ma'am, it will take with you.
This is very nice that government is doing this much effort for making Rajasthan also a state with technical ability and trying to make Rajasthan as technical hub. But what I feel that creating arcade at Jaipur or few other cities of the state will be a good initiative. But along with this, arcade is doing many academic institutions, and if arcade will establish a computer lab in those institutions with whom arcade has went through the MOU, and that will be based should be based on PPP, so that the accountability of that particular institution also cannot be ignored, and the students who are not able to approach the arcade visit centralized at one place of the institutions, and there can be some cities of the institution and arcade, so that the collaborative lab established can achieve can fulfill the object of arcade for skilling, upskilling, and outreach the students. So this is my thinking.
Definitely incorporated and I would put forward in front of the management for those programs. Anybody else that want to share? Yeah? No? Yeah.
Organized by a great leader, supported by, managed by, planned by a brilliant team. And most important, a brilliant stakeholders like you. And that's why I'm saying Arcade is doing good and in future it's going to be a great institution. And the success is dedicated to Luna and the team behind it. I know the vision for 2030, how Arcade is going to build the change and how we can be a part of it. परिवर्तन प्रारंभ से ही होता है, ऐसा मेरा मानना है. I can see the Chandigarh University, that's the fastest growing university in the Asia, has a vision of 3 pillars. The first and most important, the women empowerment. Because a family, child, me or you, we are being motivated to do certain good things in our life, personal and professional, if we can empower the women in our society. First, 1 crore of education to train our women. Second, yes, of course, our students, they are getting different experience, different knowledge from different stream, from different institutions. But over and above, for instance, school, how we can add value to one students, not only for employability that they can be employed by certain organizations, also they can create some new ventures and they can create employment for others. Not only within the India, but also I have seen the vision internationally. Arcade can go beyond state, beyond national boundaries. And third, most important, some people, those who are already generating employment, doing their contribution in the economy of state and India, small scale, micro level on enterprises, and the people, the small business or family houses. We have to design how we can bring IT, technology that, that can help to do their business to earn more to expand. So I think Rajasthan can do it this way, going beyond the Rajasthan map for everyone, because Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is the motto of our India, and we are working towards it. I see a great Rajasthan, a great outcome. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity. And most of you might know, my name is Freddie, and I represent SAS. SAS has got a very long relationship with both Rajasthan government and also ANCAD. We like to say that we were the first partner to be associated. So that thanks for all the support. Yes. Ma'am is being on both sides of the table. So when I talk about, when I think about how SAS can work with Rajasthan government in terms of 2030 missions, I think three things come to my mind when I talk about the state of Rajasthan. The first great thing is the tourism. The global attraction is tourism. It works. I know Rajasthan government has already implemented a solution with Yatra and the tourism, which talks about the customer intelligence 360, right? Which talks about not just the customer coming on the portal, but even though he did not book a ticket and end up on that, we have to, if you understand the customer, go back to the customer. How do we maximize the revenue for the state in terms of tourism? That's the first thing which comes to my mind. And second, very important thing is, preserving the mother nature. How do we protect mother nature in terms of wildlife, conservation? Could be a conservation of the rhino, or could be a conservation of cheetah. That's the most important thing. How do we protect mother nature? So from SAS point, we have a lot of solution on that, and so on and so forth. We talked about wildlife conservation, and I think one area we look forward to work with the state of Rajasthan. And the third topic, according to me, is basically, when you talk about tourism and all these things, how do we reduce the crime rate, right? The world that gets attracted to India and world will get attracted to Rajasthan, that great destinations like Jaipur or Jaipur, so on. The more we reduce the crime across the whole state or a kind of a city, that's where the world community gets attracted. And therefore, we have a lot of solutions like reduction in investigation solutions, fraud solutions, that talk about anti-money laundering and so on and so forth. So I think these top three things come to my mind as a part of Rajasthan Trade Education. And I've been in the trading for so long, so I'd say all these things is one side of the story. But the most important side of the story, the other side of the coin, is basically talks about how do we develop the skill of the community who can be a talent supply to all the projects what we were talking about in this film. And so software is a software, tool is a tool, lab is a lab, but we don't have a skilled manpower. I think this is a great team that we are together in terms of academia, government, kind of an industry partnership, where we can be a source of supply of the talent manpower in all these areas that we are talking about. So from one liner to the university partners who come here, thanks to our ARCA team, I feel strong hope with the leadership of the Honorable Commissioner Jyoti ma'am and Milita ma'am. The first pillar is the technology, in pace of change of technology so far. What was yesterday is not yet today, right? We're talking about implementing tomorrow is today, right? That's the way the technology changes. So how we can support is being OEMs, right? We have a huge R&D team, and our trainers work jointly with R&D, and that is the value we bring to the classroom for the future students. And that's one win in terms of that. I think I strongly believe that is a great challenge for an academic institute alone to develop the profile of a trainer or a faculty or a professor at far at the pace in which industry goes. That's one great thing ARCAD does to the help of industry. Second is updating your curriculum, right? Where same pace industry develops the technology product, the curriculum needs to be updated along with the trainer. Third is giving you a hands-on experience in the lab. In the industry lab, on the student can work today. Great job from ARCAD. finally, not at the Jaipur level or Rajasthan level, but elevating the student to a global level, to a global certification. That's a great thing that vision of Arcade 2030. Honored to be here, ma'am. Thanks for all your support. We look forward.
Mention here has is just not associated with Aadhaar, it is closely associated with Department of IT. There are a lot of projects that they are doing. They are doing with revenue, they are doing with health management, they are doing with finance management. So there are a lot of projects that DOIT is already doing on the data analytics. So DOIT, if we talk about it, it's not new projects we get. We were here, we are doing it now. When we say it's 1980, I think somebody, some demographer who coined a word called Bimaru. So Bimaru was one of the state which is poor at socio-economical level. But today when we talk about, we are at this level, we talk about technology and everything. So I would quote one of the examples here, which I recently even came to know that in 2002, we launched the first data center with just 25 racks. And in 2011, we launched another data center with 40 racks. And in 2016, we again launched, or we updated the earlier one to 85 racks. And today we have the tier 4 data center with 600 plus racks, which is not there in any of the states. So this is what we did, just in terms of 10 years. It could be because of course, the vision of our leaders, which made the state at this level. But yes, this is because of the government, this is because of the people, the citizens who actually work towards to make the Rajasthan one of the finest. Anybody else who wants to add into this?
Thank you so much, man, for giving this opportunity. Myself, Omri Chaudhary, representing Adobe here, and a digital ocean for creating the innovative and critical solutions beyond the engineering, which I can define the Adobe here. So today, as we have reached at a certain level of achieving that skilled manpower in Rajasthan, not even in the Rajasthan, but we are affecting by doing this, this work to arcade to the national and international level. So we are equally responsible, and we are thankful that we have contributed in some way. From arcade, we have trained rural manpower, rural women in digital designing technology. And by saying this, I am giving this thanks to ma'am that they have shown this trust on us, and we have created this batch. And today we have received a number of 20 computers from US, one of the agency, who they have given these computers to the rural women parents for doing their tasks from home. Yes, so this is great achievement for us as well. So एक एनवायरनमेंट जहाँ पे राजस्थान ये गर्व कर सकता है ये कह के कि एक गांव की महिला आईटी के क्षेत्र में काम कर सकती है, वो कहाँ पे जाके मुझे काम कराना पड़ेगा। अगर यूएस ये पूछता है कि मुझे ये काम कहाँ से कराया जा सकता है मेरे को, और अगर मैं ये कह के उनको ये बताऊं कि एक गांव की महिला जो कि आरकैड के थ्रू ट्रेंड है, वो ग्राफिक डिजाइन में आपका काम करके दे सकती है, और उन्होंने वो ट्रस्ट दिखा के उनको वो काम दिया है, दैट इज ग्रेट अचीवमेंट फॉर। And similarly, we are trying to make a cluster of such women, and especially leading persons who are being trained by ARCAD, and they will be available for doing such kind of tasks for the IT companies, where it could be for designing, it could be for the PPOs. So these type of initiatives which ARCAD is taking will be beneficial for the international MNCs as well. So as we are regulating the course curriculum in emerging and advanced technologies, that is as अभी मैडम ने जो बोला, जो भी हमने सुना कि एडवोकेटिंग एज पर द एनईपी 2020 आने वाले 2030 तक मैं ये मानूंगा कि राजस्थान इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी जो कि डिसरप्टिव हो सकती है, डिस्टरबेंस क्रिएट करने वाली नहीं हो। ये रेगुलेटरी और एडवोकेटिंग बॉडी के रूप में आर्केड काम करेगी। तो हमारी जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी को सीखने की और इम्प्लीमेंट करने की जो शक्ति है वो एक सही चैनलाइज हो, इसके लिए मैं शुभकामनाएं देता हूं सभी को। और कोशिश करेंगे कि हम हमारे राजस्थान को एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल के प्लेटफॉर्म पे दिखाने के लिए एक आर्केड का बहुत बड़ा योगदान हो। थैंक यू सो मच।
और जो women athletes में खुद मैं अपने लेने गई थी, I went to Mansoor to meet and they really very enthusiastic by they were doing this thing. Honestly, एक किया था कि हमें इंग्लिश का भी कोर्स है और आपको ये पता है also have a meta skill program with this. So every program is tightly bound with the meta skill program. Every student who is enrolled and pursuing their course here, they will also get an 18-hour course on this meta skill and strategic development career counseling. Coming towards the part of the arcade, what I presume is, and Jyoti has mentioned that it's the CSC students who used to think about it that the programming and the all skill set is about them. But when I approached Vinita ma'am and I had a word with Jyoti ma'am, what I realized is the students from the biotechnology background or from the biology or from other sciences or other parts, like psychology program is also there. So they might get the information about, say, our language, which is the scenario is changing from the laboratory to the dry labs and the computers. So Arcade is helping the students to gain the knowledge into that field as well, so that they can explore the areas into the IT sector as well. Otherwise, the idea for the students from non-IT background is that what they'll do, how they are going to enter into the IT background. But as the scenario is changing, IT sector is approaching the students from the other fields as well. So Arcade is helping to achieve those goals to them as well. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Welcome. मैं एक अपनी फाइटिंग एम्बेडेड को प्रेजेंट करता हूँ और सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ और I want to greet you all that today is Engineers Day. सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी का जन्मदिन है, तो उनको याद किया जाए। और सभी लोग आज की डेट में अगर कोई काम हो पा रहा है तो वो इंजीनियर्स का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है उसके अंदर में। मैं भी एक इंजीनियर हूँ, तो इसलिए मेरी इच्छा है कि उनको शुभकामनाएं दी जाए, उनके लिए उनको याद किया जाए। और आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू आर्केड टीम बेसिकली फॉर द एफर्ट्स व्हाट यू हैव टेकन टू ब्रिंग एकेडमिया एंड इंडस्ट्री ऑन सेम प्लेटफॉर्म। आज की डेट में हम लोग, मैं भी पढ़ा हूँ, सब लोग पढ़े हुए हैं, लेकिन वो पुराने एजुकेशन सिस्टम से पढ़ के चले आए और इंडस्ट्री के बारे में कुछ मालूम ही नहीं। जैसे आपने सुना होगा, कमिश्नर साहब ने भी कहा कि 2 महीना इंडस्ट्री में अगर काम कर लिया तो वो उसके 2 साल की एजुकेशन के बराबर में हो जाएगा, क्योंकि वहां पर सिर्फ काम ही होगा। तो मैं आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू ज्योति मैडम, Vinita madam, and the entire ARCAD team to bring such big dignitaries from education system. So my thanks to all of you. You are on here और आपके साथ में इंडस्ट्री मिल करके बच्चों को एम्प्लॉयबल ही नहीं, एम्प्लॉयमेंट तो एक बहुत नॉर्मल सी चीज है, सभी को जॉब मिल जाती है। एम्प्लॉयमेंट से नहीं, मैं इस चीज को अपने जो इस वर्ड्स को खत्म करूंगा कि हमारे पास में 10 से ज्यादा ग्लोबल सीईओज हैं वर्ल्ड के अंदर में, लेकिन एक भी ग्लोबल प्रोडक्ट नहीं है मेरे पास में। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आप लोग और हम लोग मिल करके वैसे लोग पैदा करें जो आगे चल करके ग्लोबल प्रोडक्ट्स बनाएं और पूरा वर्ल्ड हमसे खरीदे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Would be part of the Vision Document 2030. Actually, putting together and that department is added as a policy.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Dinesh Shah. I'm from Quality Service Group. Basically, you can share that microphone partner and so
Also, I would like to thank everyone, universities who have this great today with the architects. And I would also congratulate the architect team to do the wonderful work and basically that employee in that industry. We all have seen that, ma'am have presented that what is the vision should be for 2030. And we have three pillars to basically want to put it on. We want to reach there. We want to, we have the three pillars. We, work together, basically academia and the partner and our government, public platform government. We already discussed that okay, we can only reach there with the if our youth is employable, and so I believe not only employable, what we are missing here that we should create employment because if you want to bring your city in the world class like we have Bangalore and all. So we have a more we can create a more entrepreneur, so we can create a more employer. Then our city, our youth, our talent will stay here, and our city will become. So I believe we all together should take this goal that just to not only make our people employable, get more employable by innovative. Our people should be more innovative. As I told, that, out of 10 big products, we don't have, and as you are on, everyone is making a big client, Microsoft and all, but we don't have, yeah. So basically, that is on my side. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. So we have completed 1 year today, not today, on the 20th of August. So as most of the people know, I'm Rajiv Mahathir from Health Center and comes to the OEM with Parafina Robotics and ET Council. So 2030, it has to be, need some, the basic things what we need is an IT. Mostly we had covered up, right? The next stage, what we need is we should have industry 4.0 application. So that manufacturing system should be improved. As far as when we comes to, Rajasthan, we all know so many industries have been closed down just because of to lack of the technology. Industries are moving so fast, but the industry people mainly related to Rajasthan. I worked, I started in 1997. वो समय में जब किसी को बोलते थे ना ऑटो कैड कर लो, नहीं तो ये इंडस्ट्री बंद हो जाएगी. उनको लगता था बस ये अपना माल बेच रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होगा. And we have seen it when it comes to 2000 in Rajasthan. Almost 500 industries are closed down. And then after it comes 2005, again 1,000 industries have been closed down. आज आप जाएंगे VKI में, तो हमको 50% industries are converted into gala. वो सिर्फ स्टोरेज के काम आ रहा है. Just because of the lack of the industry. No, point is, when it comes to, I saw the Chandigarh University people here. I visited sometimes back over there. They have, the setup is fantastic. When it comes to Rajasthan, we found on a very small setup. Just recently, we had going to establish industry 4.0 application in MNIT. So some of the things which has to be needed as far as the engineering colleges or universities generally not available. होता क्या है, एक आध रोबोटिक्स का लैब लगाना है तो 2 करोड़ रुपया कौन इन्वेस्ट करे? यू अंडरस्टैंड? किसी कॉलेज में है ही नहीं और सारा इंडस्ट्री रोबोटिक्स पे चल रहा है, आईओटी पे चल रहा है. एक आईओटी का एक छोटा सा लैब नहीं है जो 15 लाख 20 लाख रुपए का, इसलिए आर्किटेक्ट की जरूरत है. जो स्टूडेंट है उनको जो रिक्वायरमेंट है इंडस्ट्री 4.0 एप्लीकेशन, रोबोटिक्स, आईओटी, एआई, they wanted to learn, they wanted to do some hands-on practices. But actually what happens? They were not getting in their college or university. So that's what the reason the architect role is very, very important when it comes to the emerging technologies. Right? So in 2030, what we feel is some of the simulation companies, we have to need to do work hard on electric vehicle design applications. Why not we have to develop the batteries and other applications to be here? So many things are there which we need to develop in Rajasthan and can be done. I mean, एक स्टार्टअप जब डेवलप होता है, आईटी बेस्ड स्टार्टअप है, एक ऐप बेस्ड स्टार्टअप है, हमें मालूम चलता है 1 साल बाद 2 साल बाद कि वो अगर वो यूनिकॉर्न में चला गया तो वो 200 करोड़ लॉस में, 500 करोड़ लॉस में. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टार्टअप दे आर गेटिंग फंडिंग बट दे आर इनटू लॉस. What will what will happen after some time, maybe after 5 years or 10 years down the line. बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप अभी गिर रहे हैं और बाद में और गिरेंगे, लेकिन ऐसे स्टार्टअप जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम को सपोर्ट करते हो, ये गिरने के और लॉस में जाने के चांसेस ऑलमोस्ट 99% नील, यानी वो सक्सेस हो जाएगा. और जो बात आपने कही कि ग्लोबल सप्लाई वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर हम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम को सुधार लेंगे और उसको अगर हम ग्लोबल लेवल पे ले जाएंगे तो गिरने के चांसेस बहुत कम है. So this is what my input for 2030. So we have to go, some more technology to be added there in ARCAD and to furnish and take up the fast initiative so that the Rajasthan can be move on. Thank you very much.
It's very important that our ecosystem should be developed in such a manner that instead of just from being a service-based startup to a project-based startup, that really should be covered by developing a very and fostering a very important and an ecosystem where technology is related to practice. This is one to have area. Let's meet there and have this center.